Are you having login issues on your ChatGPT app and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix this issue. So what I'm going to do firstly is to just close my ChatGPT app, and instead I'm going to open up my settings app. So as you can see, I'm currently on my settings app right here, which is perfect. So now we're just going to scroll down, and then we're going to click where it says general, and here, so click on general, and as you can see, we should now be taken to this page, which is great. So now on this page, just scroll down and click on storage in here. And now unfortunately we need to wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load, just so you know. And when it's done, then what we're going to do, we're going to click on the search symbol in the top right corner, and then we're going to search for ChatGPT, of course. And then after that, we're going to actually be able to potentially fix this problem. So we're just going to click on the search symbol in the top right corner now. Then just search for ChatGPT and click on it, as you can see. Then click on Upload App, and once again click on Upload App in here. Just wait a couple of seconds for it to load and click on the blue button here again. Just wait for your ChatGPT app to completely update to the latest version, because this is actually what you're doing right now. You are updating your ChatGPT to the complete newest version, and you need to do this to be able to fix all the bugs that was in the previous one. So just wait a couple of seconds, then go back into the app when it's done and try again, and hopefully now it's fixed for you as well.